Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this quick unboxing. Not going to let you know what it is until I open it up and show you. This is my very first purchase from Swappa. I sell a lot of smartphones over at Swappa, but I've never, ever have bought a smartphone through Swappa. So this is a first. I was a little nervous about doing it, but I really wanted the smartphone. And after a lot of homework and a lot of hunting, this is what I decided to do. I'm gonna take my seat, move it back a little bit. Okay. And got some scissors here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay. Sounds like it's packaged really well, which is always a good thing. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. And after I'm done with the unboxing, so you know what I have here in this box, I'm going to go out and take some pictures. I did get a case. Okay, did you see that? Do you know what case that phone belongs to? You will know very soon. Very nice. Very nice. All right, so are you ready? Woo, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Bam. There it is. The Sony Xperia Mark II. Mint condition. Still had the stickers on it too, man. Bam. And safety guidelines booklet there. Startup guide. And the warranty information. So yeah, we got a clear case here. I'm going to be bringing in a couple other cases. I got some screen protectors waiting at home. As far as what's inside the box, okay, USB Type-C to Type-C cable. I actually get some earbuds, man. Sweet. And the charger. 18 watt. That's awesome. These accessories have never been used, which is really nice. All right, so we're gonna take out the smartphone here. Oh, I'm excited. Give her a quick wipe down. Mint condition, huh? Yeah, that looks beautiful, man. That just looks gorgeous. The gentleman even put the film back on the display, and that's awesome. Bam. Let's get a look at this display. That is flawless. Huge shout out to the seller. I'm not going to say his name for privacy purposes. Fingerprint reader on the side. It's going to be right here. Got your volume rocker up there. Okay, cameras on the rear. And on the front, there's going to be a tiny bit of bezel, like a 1/4 inch of bezel, and the other camera is going to be there. So we got, what, 1, 2, 3 cameras on the back, and then we got a front-facing camera right in there somewhere. I don't know if you can see that. Right there? Yeah, right there. Okay. Speaker up top and speaker at the bottom, man. So the second speaker is right in there. That is so cool. It's right in there. Then you got your earpiece speaker combo up there, and then on the left hand side you got the little tray that you don't need a SIM key. And there you go. Man, I've been wanting this smartphone. Okay, so let's go ahead and power it on. Again, the fingerprint reader and the power button are one. So we're gonna turn that on and see if we have any juice. Bam! I'm going to be taking some pictures today. I got my iPhone 12 Pro Max and my OnePlus 9 Pro with me. Got the Google Pixel 4a 5G shooting this video. I don't know if I'm going to use the Google Pixel device today. 3 devices plus this, that's a lot of work. So I'll probably just be using my iPhone 12 Pro Max and the OnePlus 9 Pro. So there we go. I'm going to wipe down the case a little bit here. It's a clear case, obviously. Any questions? Anything you'd like me to do with this smartphone? Let me know. So there's the case. Okay, so I got protection, and I do have those screen protectors at home waiting to be put on, or one screen protector. I think there's 2 or 3 that came in the package. I'll let you know what company I bought that through over at Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in the description area. But I think I got 2 or 3, so one will be going on here. But yeah, I'm so stoked to have this smartphone, share it with all of you. Update on the Google Pixel 4a 5G. It's been killing it, man. Killing it. Performance, functionality, connectivity. I haven't been paying attention to battery life, but every night that I've gone to bed and put this specific smartphone, the 4a 5G, down on my little, what do you call it, man? Nightstand, if you want to call it that. I still have juice. Okay, so I there's no concerns. It's about as good as the 4a that I had previously in the 5. That my youngest son has now. So I'm not going to have any worries about battery life. In my opinion, the Google Pixel 4a 5G is, at the price point that it's priced at, is probably the best smartphone that you could pick up. The 4a, the non-5G variant, $349. The Pixel 5, $699. The Google Pixel 4a 5G, $499. This is definitely the one to pick up. Now, in comparison to other smartphones in the same category, around the same price point, this is still going to be the one, in my opinion. Now, there's a lot of other smartphones out there that I didn't have in hand. But man, for me, that pure stock Android experience, Pixel cameras, yeah. And so much more, okay? So either way, that's my quick update. Let me know if you do want a battery life test. I can get 2 or 3 screenshots and let you know, but trust me, this smartphone does great when it comes to battery life. So I know that's one of the areas that a lot of you are concerned with, that has to have that box checked off. I get that. So anyway, Sony Xperia Arc 2 in the house. Going to be taking some pictures, and I'll be back with some pic comparisons. I'm excited. Thanks for watching. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out. And a huge shout out to the seller over at Swappa, man. Thank you so much. Everything you said, true. Sure, I got to use it, but I don't think I'm going to have any issues, man. Thanks a lot, man.